Because they have 12 rounds.
Yeah, I put in a mesh here. And
You happy with it? It does work good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like this was actually the it's in
Because
my office
it's
right
a
there.
seamless, right? You just, it's
So
just,
my router's in the office.
yeah.
This was the best spot.
Yeah.
But I was only getting maybe 60 right here, and so when I put the mesh in, I'm getting like in the bedroom, we're getting 400.
Yeah, but isn't that crazy? Like, we're on the road and I'm getting 380.
That is
Like,
awesome.
as we're going 60.
Yeah, I've been looking at that just for that
DVD
reason.
video.
Because if his internet is slow, he loses his mind.
I was saying I'd text you, but the referral.
Call me. No, just call me. I'll come over and get it. What do you got?
Oh, who am I calling? Tina?
I forgot. Thanks, I appreciate it.
You experience awesomeness and the interiors.
Easier if I don't listen.
Yeah, if I just pop it out and do it quick.
By the classification rating restriction at www.filmrings.com.
I don't know about all that. Hey, they're still calling me trying to add services. I'm like, I've canceled.
Oh, yeah.
Jane, is that you? Yep.
Hey, buddy, look, I got you some veggie sticks.
It was made for you.
Veggie sticks. I grabbed them off sale after I decided to lock everything up.
Okay, everybody ready?
Here we go. Do you know your name? Jane? Kevin. Why do we get you a cab?
This is really like your wedding.
Don't you think it's a whole lot of ritual for something? It's got about a 50-50 shot of making it out of the gate.
Oh, very refreshing. A man who doesn't believe in marriage.
Jane was good at taking care of everyone.
You've been a bridesmaid 27 times. What do you do besides work and help people get married?
You having fun? Oh, it's a great party.
But she never took care of herself.
Jane,
Yeah?
did you put that breakfast burrito on my desk?
I just thought you might be hungry.
I love you.
Try about American.
Oh, yeah,
It's
you're right.
three
You did that.
X.
George appreciates me. What good is it being appreciated if no one is naked? Go over there and tell him how you feel. Come on, there, go.
Sorry about that. Because I'm
George, this is
having this.
This is my George. No.
You want to get a drink?
And I'm going to do a film update.
Congratulations.
Now,
27 dresses.
Strange as it sounds, I've had some really good times in those dresses.
a woman whose entire life
We're getting married in 3 weeks. 3 weeks? She's gonna want me to do everything.
is making other people happy
You went by the flower shop.
Yep.
And ordered the favors. You cannot plan your sister's wedding with a man you love. It is sick. I'm gonna kick her.
is about to discover
You have said no to people before.
Many, many times when the situation happened, not once.
how to do the same for herself.
You'd rather focus on other people's Kodak moments than make memories of your own.
From the screenwriter of The Devil Wears Prada,
You can start over, and you can say no, and you can do what you want. What do you want, Jane?
Knocked Up's Katherine Heigl,
I don't understand what you don't like about him. Sparkling blue eyes, killer grin.
James Marsden,
You should just admit that this whole cynical thing is just so we can seem mysterious and sexy.
Did you say sexy?
27 dresses.
Must be so hard to watch your younger sister get married before you.
Yes. Then I remember that I still get to have hot hate sex with random strangers, and I feel so much better.
Coming soon to DVDs.
John, it's me.
Dad is losing his mind or something. I got a phone call. There's something wrong with him. This is a crisis.
I don't think this actually qualifies as a crisis. It's an alarm.
You mean it's like we're in orange?
Exactly, but we're in yellow, okay? So, just ignore her and be cautious. When it hits red, then we're in trouble.
There's a moment in everyone's life
I gained some weight.
I didn't say anything.
when childhood ends and adulthood begins. For John and Wendy Savage, that moment is now.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Do something! There's a doctor!
He's not that kind of doctor, Dad.
I said, my baby says doctor.
Dr. Philosophy teaches theater.
Like Brooklyn?
No, like theater of social unrest. Looks like the Unabomber lives here.
The couch is actually pretty comfortable.
Great. Where is it?
It's a place with an opening that can take him right away.
What kind of place?
In this country, they call them nursing homes. You still there?
And yes, I'm due a hurricane
Green
film,
Hill
so
Manor.
Sounds like an insane asylum.
You're an idiot.
We just played the game.
during the hurricane season.
It's not funny.
We're going to know your father's burial or cremation plans.
What kind of question is that? Something they want for their records. Who?
The people who run the place.
What the hell kind of hotel is it?
Fox Searchlight Pictures presents
Maybe Dad didn't abandon us. Maybe he just forgot who we were.
a serious comedy about what happens when everyone in the family
What do you think?
What's he do?
Nothing.
finally starts acting their age.
You're doing the right thing, man. Taking better care of the old man than you ever did of us.
The Savages.
When you're dealing with dementia, you have to bring things in to stimulate their memory. Excuse me? We haven't served refreshments yet.
Oh, just wait.
I'm gonna. Yeah.